Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel all around ads. Now I'm going to show you how to delete the Facebook ad campaign. As you can see, I have this campaign which is turned off, and here you can see 1 week result, which is link clicks. You can see 1230 and total cost is 10.94 and CPA cost per result 0.01. So the ad I'm talking about is this one. 4 ads, 1 carousel and 3 image ad. Now I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook ad campaign. Just go to your ad, click from the drop down and just click on campaign and click on this tick button, and from here you can see the delete icon, or you can press Ctrl plus backspace. So click on delete. And do you want to delete the campaign? Yes, you won't be able to recover it later. So click on delete, and now just wait. And yeah, 1 campaign was deleted. Click on done. So let me refresh again. And yeah, the campaign is deleted. Thanks for watching.